Yeah, so as you can imagine, this is the most sterile environment on the property. So our head of extraction, he went to MSU and got his plant science degree. So he kind of started off with this, but then, as the company grew,
Yeah.
he got pulled more into the extraction side, and there wasn't a whole lot of time for him to do this. So
Okay.
probably a few months ago, we just hired a girl from MSU with a plant biology degree. So she's kind of coming in under his ropes, and he's kind of teaching her all the nuances of the tissue culture lab, and she's kind of running with it right now. So we're excited to actually, get somebody in here who has the time and knowledge.
So is the main purpose just to speed up your propagation, or is it to get cleaner plants? Are you trying to
cleaner plants,
address something in particular? Or?
Yeah, so I would say definitely cleaner plants. Also kind of like a, genetic bank. There's a few strains that, aren't selling much at the time being, we can kind of keep them on reserve in here for a while until maybe we'll want to do another run of it and see if people.
That's a great point.
Yeah. So, so it's actually, looking pretty good. You can peek inside there.
Okay.
This past winter and summer, we did some breeding of our own and are really trying to get a strain that finishes really early because, as you can imagine, our
the weather out
Montana, weather. I mean, we can have, snow in the middle of September. And I've seen snow end of August before.
Yeah.
So some of our breeding projects we actually harvested about, I would say 4 weeks ago, which was really exciting for us. So
How big were the plants?
They're nice. They weren't huge, but and some we started a little bit later than others. Some were about this big, and some were about this big.
That's great.
Yeah. So I mean, and all that's gonna go towards just biomass for extraction right now until we kind of get the ball rolling and kind of get everything honed in a little bit more on the genetics side. There was quite a bit of variation. So I'm excited for next summer. That'll be cool to kind of hone that in.
Cool.
But
All right, very cool. Thank you.
Tissue culture lab.
And that's in a 40-foot container out here.
Yep. Yeah, we love the shipping containers out here.
That's cool.
They're pretty nice.